Buying the biggest window AC sounds safe until your small room turns clammy and loud. Then you're stuck with a heavy box, a blocked window, and controls you resent. So we're counting down by fit, setup pain, and the one I'd buy. Match capacity to room size. Choose inverter if noise matters, and respect your window's limits. Then measure twice. Let's move. Number 3. Frigidaire FHWC054TE1. If you're cooling a small bedroom or office, this is the budget pick I'd consider first. It's a compact window AC in the 5000 BTU/HR class. So the job is targeted comfort, not whole apartment rescue. The body is smaller too, at 31 centimeters high, 41 centimeters wide, and 37 centimeters deep. That matters when your window is narrow and your patience is already gone. The trade-off is the non-inverter compressor because it can't ease up the way Midea can. So I wouldn't buy it for the quietest bedroom setup. Skip it if the room is large, sun-baked, or open to another space. Number 2. Hisense AW1422CW1W. Need a big living room cooled fast? This is the muscle pick I'd shortlist before I'd call it refined. It sits in the 14,000 BTU/HR class, with 14,646 BTU/HR capacity. So it's aimed at open areas that overwhelm smaller units. You also get Wi-Fi, app control, and voice assistant support. That makes sense when the unit is across the room. But the compromise is blunt. This is non-inverter cooling. So it can feel less smooth than the Midea, especially where temperature swings annoy you. I wouldn't put it beside a TV. Skip it for bedrooms, small rooms, or any setup where quiet control matters more than raw capacity. Number 1. Midea U-Shaped MAW12V1QWT. This is the one I'd buy for a larger main room where noise can't dominate the day. It brings 12,000 BTU/HR class cooling with 12,038 BTU/HR capacity and an inverter compressor. That combination matters because the unit can back off instead of just thumping on and off. The U-shaped design is the other reason it wins. Your window can stay partly usable, which conventional boxes usually ruin. Now the trade-off, setup is more fiddly, and the larger body won't be fun alone. So don't pick it for the simplest installation. Skip it for a tiny enclosed room, an awkward window, or a buyer who hates installation puzzles. Frigidaire is the small room budget move. Hisense is the big room capacity play. Midea is the balanced upgrade, because inverter control and the U-shaped layout solve more everyday annoyances. I'd start with room size, then decide how much noise and installation hassle you're willing to accept. Before you buy, measure the window opening and check the support bracket plan. Then confirm the plug can reach safely. Also check current availability, because a perfect pick doesn't help if the listing isn't shippable. If you're cooling small, pick Frigidaire. If you need capacity first, consider Hisense. If you want the one I'd actually buy, it's Midea. Match the window, accept the install, and links are in the description.